Mathematical analysis of LC oscillations. Mathematical analysis of LC oscillations. It is a pure inductor and it is capacitor. At any instant, voltage across capacitor is V. At the same instant, EMF induced across the inductor is E. So whatever be the direction of current, whatever be the direction of current, for sustained current, E must be equals to V. At least, whatever be the direction, चाहे अभी आपका कैपेसिटर करंट ड्राइव कर रहा है या इंडक्टर करंट ड्राइव कर रहा है, किसी भी इंस्टेंट पर, दोनों ही केस में इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ एटलीस्ट वोल्टेज अक्रॉस कैपेसिटर दोनों आपस में इक्वल होनी चाहिए. तो व्हाट इज द वोल्टेज अक्रॉस ए कैपेसिटर? Q by C. Q is the charge stored on the plate on the capacitor at that instant. What is the induced EMF across the ends of inductor? Minus L di by dt. बहुत बढ़िया. Hence L di by dt plus Q by C equals 0. What is I? I is the rate of flow of charge. So it becomes L d2 by dt square equals 0. Or it may be written as what? Double differentiation of charge. This is the double differentiation of charge. Plus 1 by LC Q equals 0. Comparing with equation of simple harmonic motion, double differentiation of x plus omega x equals 0. So comparing this equation with equation of simple harmonic motion, what is observed? Charge Q vary with time just like displacement x vary with time. जैसे इस इक्वेशन में पोजीशन चेंज हो रहा है टाइम के रेस्पेक्ट में, ऐसे ही यहाँ चार्ज चेंज हो रहा है. Here omega is a constant, here L and C is constant. Once you have made the circuit, the inductor coefficient of self inductance and the capacity of the capacitor is fixed. तो यहाँ आपका 1 by LC constant है, यहाँ omega constant है. Which is variable? X is variable, position is variable with time. Here what is variable? Charge is variable with time, and the variation are same. The solution to equation इस पूरी इक्वेशन को जब मैथमेटिकली सॉल्व किया जाता है तो x निकल कर आता है x इक्वल्स एक्स नॉट cos omega t. The solution to this equation is x equals x naught cos omega t, where x naught is the peak value, जिसे हम एम्पलीट्यूड भी कह दिया करते थे. तो फिर जो हमारी इक्वेशन बन रही है चार्ज की, hence the solution to equation. What is the equation? Double differentiation of charge plus 1 by L C Q equals 0. इसका सोल्यूशन क्या है? Q equals Q naught cos omega t. Q equals Q naught cos omega t. Here omega equals 1 by LC. क्यों? इन दोनों इक्वेशंस में आप कंपेयर कीजिए. x is variable, here charge is variable. X is variable, charge is variable. Here omega is constant, here 1 by LC is constant. So what is omega? Omega is equals to 1 by LC. This is the solution of this equation. This is the variation of charge with time. This equation represents the variation of charge with time. Omega is a constant. Hence, instantaneous current I equals rate of flow of charge. So what is I? Q naught is constant, d by dt cos omega t. I equals what? Minus sin omega t. ओमेगा है ना, सीधे सीधे ओमेगा. तो अब ये क्या बना? I इक्वल्स माइनस क्यू नॉट ओमेगा साइन ओमेगा टी. द नेगेटिव साइन represent that inductor oppose the change in current. तो फिर न्यूमेरिकली करंट कितना हो गया? Q नॉट ओमेगा साइन ओमेगा टी. करंट इज मैक्सिमम when sin omega t equals maximum, which is equals to 1. Hence maximum current I naught is equals to Q naught omega. और फिर अब आपकी करंट क्या बनी? I equals I naught sin omega t. The current in the circuit is not constant. It keeps on changing with time by the equation I equals I naught sin omega t. Here omega equals what? 1 by LC. You can write omega equals 2 pi f. यही मिस्टेक कर दी मैंने. This equation of simple harmonic motion contains omega square. Double differentiation of x plus omega square. अभी टाइम नहीं है. So what is omega square equals LC, and omega equals 1 by square root of LC, and f equals 2 pi square root of LC hertz. This is the frequency of oscillation of charge in the circuit. This is the frequency of variation of charge. This one is called, it is called natural frequency of LC सर्किट। नेचुरल फ्रीक्वेंसी कौन सी फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है? एक बार सर्किट को आपने कैपेसिटर को चार्ज दिया और सर्किट को छोड़ दिया, फिर लेट इट ऑसिलेट। एक बार आपने चार्ज देकर छोड़ दिया, तो फिर ये कितनी फ्रीक्वेंसी पर ऑसिलेट करेगी ये एनर्जी, ये चार्ज? इट विल ऑसिलेट एट ए फ्रीक्वेंसी 1/2 पाई स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ LC. This is called the natural frequency of LC circuit.